Да, это мой автомобиль. Эту песню себе на MP3 плеер скинь. Все будет в шоколаде, парень. Не горячись, остынь.
Надо фотки делать. Стой, погоди. Бумага есть?
Ну, чувачок, я думаю, справится, да? Хули поделаешь. С кем не бывает. Ну, а мы прям дальше. My peeps keeps money over bitches.
Russia, money over bitches. My peeps keeps money over bitches. Where the fuck you at? Money over bitches. My peeps keeps money over bitches. What up? Money over bitches. My peeps keeps money over bitches.
Алексей, типа. Потом посмотреть, как я в клипе буду такой, чисто снимаю такой. Девушки красивые ходят. So folks, I'm in Domodedovo, Moscow airport. So I came back from the St. Petersburg, and it was a great trip, jacket trip 4. Yeah, I met my friends, not all of them, but most of my friends I met, I saw them, we had a great time, and we chilled, and it was great. The weather was awful in St. Petersburg all the way, but today it was sunny, but now it is kind of rainy in Moscow. Well, I'll have to wait for 2 hours until my transfer to Chita. So it was jacket trip. See you next time.
Right here, right now, right here, right now, right here.